Okay, now that we just made our folders on our Google Drive, I now want to show you how to make copies of documents from our Google Sites. So go ahead and open our Google site. I have it open right here. I also have my Drive open, which I'll show you in a second. So from here, I'm going to go to our Unit 0 and then Lesson 1. We already did this lesson, but these skills still apply. So when I open this document, sometimes I think mostly it's going to prompt you to make a copy. But on this version for me right now, it didn't say that. If it says for you, make a copy, then click make a copy. But for me, if it pops up like this, I can't type anything, and I want to make a copy for myself that I can keep and I can type on. I don't have to click this because I don't want to edit the document, but I want my own. So what I'm going to click is File, Make a Copy, and then that's fine for the title. I'll leave that. In the next video, I'm going to show you a few different ways to move documents within folders, but that's also something we can do right now. So I want to show you a shortcut before we actually make a full copy of this. So I've kind of already made a copy. Now I'm telling the copy where I want to put it. So if you're thinking like this is a binder or something, it's asking you what folder you want to put it in. So click on this, and it's going to go in my Drive. And then which folder? Well, I want to put it in my 8th grade year, and I want to put it in my English folder. So you're going to keep clicking until you get inside, and the folder title is the right one. You can see right here. Click Select, and that will be the folder title. Then you can click OK. So now this is the one that I can type on. All right, and this is a document that we already did. This is my copy. And if I go back to my Drive and I go inside my English folder, I can see that document right there. So that's how you make a copy. Again, if you can't type on it, you just click File, Make a Copy, and then save it to your Drive.